Do you ever feel like ChatGPT always gives you the wrong answers? Well, maybe you're asking the wrong questions. Today, I will teach you on how to effectively create prompts for ChatGPT to give you more accurate responses. In order for us to get the prompts that we want, so we're gonna go to prompts.chat. So here we have the awesome ChatGPT prompts. Just scroll down a little bit and you'll see a prompt tab. Okay, so here we are, prompt tabs. And if you scroll further down, you will see a lot of reliable prompts that you can use for ChatGPT. We can ask ChatGPT to be an educational content creator. It can also act as your journal reviewer, a developer, or whatever you want that is available here. Now, I want ChatGPT to act as my social media manager. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, open ChatGPT. Now we're going to go ahead and paste the prompt that we copied in prompt.chat into ChatGPT. See the answers from ChatGPT? Now, what we need to do is to do the right thing and follow what ChatGPT says to effectively manage the presence of an organization on Twitter. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is ask more questions to maximize our potential with ChatGPT. Now, I asked ChatGPT the best posting times for Twitter. Now, ChatGPT gave us the overall best times to post in Twitter. The next thing that I want to ask is, what is the best posting time for Instagram? Now that we have the data about the best times to post in Twitter and Instagram, we can name this specific chat as a social media manager. The purpose of this is to help you find the right prompt to your questions using prompts.chat. Now, on our next video, I'm going to show you the prompts that we personally use for ChatGPT for video editing, image generation, data analytics, and etc. We're here to help you craft the perfect prompt that you're looking for in ChatGPT. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye-bye!